Hi guys and happy new year. My name is Caroline Wamboi and today I'm going to be sharing what I cooked for my family during the new year. So stick around and enjoy. So these are the ingredients of the day and I'm going to be preparing various things which I'll explain as we go by. So I've already grated my carrots. I have my Daniel, the coriander here. I have my tomatoes and capsicum there. I also have other things that I've mixed here. I'm going to tell you what they are for. I have my onions and my ginger there. I also have some potatoes here, and finally my rice here. So I think I'm preparing three things. I'll be preparing carrot rice. I'll also be preparing these potatoes. I wanted to bake them in the oven, but since I've never tried before, I chose not to do it because my brother is coming over and I don't want to mess up the lunch. So I'll just cook the normal way of rice and we're going to do this together. And I'm also preparing stew. The ingredients are here. I've mixed everything together except the coriander. Yep, and as usual, I also have chicken. I've already boiled it off camera. So today I prepared all my ingredients off camera because my phone didn't have any charge. So we are going to just cook together with you. Yeah, I hope you are not going to miss out on the whole of this video. So I've decided to prepare something different from what I prepared on the 25th of December. Yeah, because in case you have not watched that video, you can just go back to the video list and look for it. I prepared several items. So today I'm doing something different except for the chicken. The chicken was there and it's still there. Yep. So this one is for my carrot rice. Then this one is for my chicken. Then that one is for my stew. The onions are many, so I'm going to be dividing them for the three dishes. And for the potatoes, I'm just going to use this oil to fry them. So let's get into the cooking, guys. I'm not going to be speaking much, so just follow and enjoy. And maybe you can pick a few recipes that you can do when we have holidays or during the weekends or even the normal days. Yep.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
I began by frying my carrot rice and my stew. I was cooking them at a go, and I forgot to tell you that for my stew, I'm going to be using peas and potatoes. So unlike Christmas, I had also added some beef. Today, I will not add any beef. Yeah. By the way, I don't know how you prepare your rice, but I don't usually use any complicated method. And the other thing I don't do, most of the times I don't even measure the water that I'm using. As far as I know how fast the rice is cooking, I just usually use the Kienyeji way of using the eyes to measure. And it cooks very well, yeah.
And don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are here.
So next I'm going to fry my chicken, and I'm going to be using the same sufuria I had used to boil it. So don't assume I've used a dirty one. Yeah, so I'm only going to use the few ingredients I showed you. And this time during my cooking, I tried as much as possible to remain natural. So I'm not going to use a lot of spices. Maybe the only thing I will add is a dark soy sauce and also some chicken cube. And that will be it. was cooking pea stew as earlier mentioned. I had boiled it a few days ago, and I had even forgotten to defrost it. So I just put it as it was and added in some 2 Royco cubes. I think that was the only spice I used in my cooking. One of the achievements, by the way, I was ignoring is the gift of this cooker. I purchased it around July last year, and let me say it has been serving me well, and especially during festive seasons, and also those times that I'm usually in a hurry while cooking, because you can cook even 4 meals at a go. So if you're planning to upgrade your cooker, maybe you can consider buying the 4 burner, because it's really going to save you some time.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll find out. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate.
I finally made my last dish, which was these potatoes, and I said I was only going to fry them. I really wanted to bake them, but since I've never had the experience before, I decided not to. So I'm going to try them out in the oven during another video, and I'm of course going to show you how they turned out. So for the potatoes, I fried them twice. I fried them for the first time, then I put them the second time all together for them to dry up properly.
Let's take it slow. Who cares?
By the way, I nearly forgot to welcome all my new subscribers. Karibuni sana to this channel. We love visitors. Feel at home, and I normally post videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sundays at exactly 2 p.m. So do not be left out, and I usually premiere them other than making uploads. So karibu sana and feel at home.
Good time wherever you're with me. There's some little moments it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right, no.
Maybe you can share out what you prepared for your family during this day. That was it about my cooking. It was not as complicated as the Christmas one. I just decided to do what will not make me tired like that other time. And that was just simple cooking.
I want that feeling, it's all that I needed to move on, to feel it, it's all that I needed.
So today I've cooked really fast and I've finished because I've only cooked simple meals. So this is the first thing I've cooked, carrot rice. I've also done chicken. There it is. My stew here with peas, warus. Today I didn't put meat. And I've also done some potatoes, and I fried them in the simplest way. Sorry, because my brother has a sensitive stomach, so I'm not even going to add anything. I think we will just add salt. Yep, and that's it. So I'm going to serve for us. Then we are going to enjoy the meal. Maybe in the comment section you can comment or tell us, what did you prepare for the new year? This is it. We have begun our new year so well. So yeah, this is what we are going to be eating. Let me serve, then we will call it the end of this video. Allow me to first feed my baby. I've served her a very small proportion because I know she will concentrate with the chicken. So let me feed her first, then I'll show you what I'm going to serve for the two of us. That is my brother and myself. Bye bye. Let me see you in my next one.